In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to Canva step by step so you can turn text, buttons, and other elements into links that actually work in your final design. This is super useful for lead magnets, presentations, resumes, workbooks, PDFs, and anything else where you want people to click through to a website, form, or resource. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to edit. This could be a flyer, presentation, ebook, workbook, or any project where you want to add a clickable link. Once your design is open, decide what you want the link to be attached to. You can usually add links to text, buttons, and some elements depending on the type of design and how you plan to export it. Next, select the text, button, or element that you want to make clickable. Once it's highlighted, look at the top toolbar and click the link icon, which looks like a chain. This is where Canva lets you attach a URL to the selected item. After that, type or paste the URL you want people to go to. Make sure the link is complete and correct, including HTTPS if needed, so it opens properly after download. Then press enter or click apply to save the link. At this point, the clickable link has been added inside Canva, but there's one very important thing to remember. The format you download matters. If you want the link to stay clickable, click share, then choose download and select PDF as your file type. Canva usually supports clickable links best in PDF standard or PDF print, so choose one of those options depending on your project needs. Once you've selected the PDF format, click download and save the file to your device. After that, open the PDF and test the link to make sure it works correctly. If the link doesn't behave as expected, go back into Canva and double check that the correct element was selected and that the URL was entered properly. A few quick tips can help you get better results. Use short, clear text like click here or visit website so people know where the link goes. If you're making a presentation or workbook, spread links out cleanly so the design stays easy to read, and always test the final PDF before sharing it with clients, customers, or followers. And that's it. You now know how to add clickable links to Canva in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.